Welcome to VW Themes. Best Premium WordPress Theme. Home for the best professional WordPress theme. We provide more than 115 premium WordPress theme, with an expert team support. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe and share button. Today we're going to see how to import demo and premium VW WordPress theme using Elementor. Go to Dashboard. Click on Get Started. Click on Setup Wizard. Click on Start Now. Now select the option of Elementor to import demo template. Now click on Install Plugin to install all required plugins for your theme. Here setup is complete. Now click on Visit Your Site. Website is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to hit the like, subscribe and share button on this video.